Hi, I'm Karen from Liverpool World Centre. We're delighted to be working with LABC on the DEPAL project. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how discourse is important in my work. As you will all know, finding ways to communicate has never been more important. Teachers, educators and professionals from all walks of life are having to find ways to make real connections over the internet, to innovate and to adapt their usual working practices. The DEPAL project brings this into focus in the context of adult education. Much of my work within Liverpool World Centre focuses on facilitating an open and constructive dialogue between individuals, between organisations and between different communities. By dialogue, I mean a discourse where all speakers are valued as independent and distinct thinkers, and where the contributions of all participants lead to a new and shared understanding. In order to facilitate an open and constructive dialogue, we need to help our groups to feel at ease both emotionally and physically, and aim to create the sense of them being a community of learning. We want you to feel able to engage meaningfully with your adult learners and to support their digital learning through the use of the digital storytelling methodology. The methods being used in this project allow the knowledge and experience of your learners to be fully recognised within the space. The student is not the object of the teacher in these spaces, but rather is an equal player. You will need to think about creating a safe physical space, to consider the room you're using, the way you set that room up, and the privacy of that room. You will need, or you might want to think about setting codes of conduct or agreeing codes of conduct with your learners. Not rules that you might have in a classroom, but to just agree that everybody will really listen to each other within the space, that everybody will be respectful of each other's opinions, and maybe to think about ways of bringing disagreements or differing opinions into the room. And you'll want to think about bringing in warm-up and icebreaker activities that lead students to get to know each other and start to feel able to share their knowledge and experiences within the group. You'll want to be well prepared, but also to be able to be flexible. The aim is to create a community of learning where your learners feel valued and undergo some kind of transformation, whether at a personal, an academic, or at a practical level. Good luck.